In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for marketing and business. We'll walk through the core tools that help you plan content. Keep your branding consistent, create ads, handle everyday business materials, and even build simple websites, so you can run more of your marketing from one place with confidence. Let's start with social media management. Open the Content Planner and connect your Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn accounts. Pick a date on the calendar. Then choose Create Design to start from a template sized for your platform. Drop in your photos or video, write a clear caption, and make sure your visuals reflect your brand colors and fonts. Use the preview to check how it looks on each platform. Then schedule it or publish right away. A helpful tip is to duplicate a post and tweak it for each channel, so you stay consistent while optimizing for different audiences. Over time, that calendar becomes your visual roadmap. Next, set up your brand kit. Upload your logos, define your brand colors, and choose your heading, subheading, and body fonts. Once this is in place, every template you open can be branded in a click. This keeps your content looking unified across posts, ads, presentations, and more. If you share designs with collaborators, the brand kit also reduces guesswork and saves time on approvals. For advertising, use Magic Design to generate brand concepts quickly. Describe your offer or campaign theme. Let it propose variations and select the layout that fits your message. Refine your headline, body copy, and call to action. And make sure the design is readable on mobile. When you are happy, publish directly to Meta through Canva's publishing flow. Keep your visuals simple, your value proposition clear, and your branding consistent to improve recognition and performance. For business operations, explore templates for presentations, business cards, invoices, and email headers. Apply your brand kit. Replace placeholder text with your details and keep layouts clean and legible. Export presentations as slides or PDFs. Prepare business cards with proper bleed for printing. Save invoices as PDFs for easy sharing and export email headers in web-friendly formats. You can duplicate an invoice design to create a reusable template that speeds up future billing. Finally, build responsive landing pages with Canva's drag and drop website tools. Start from a landing page template, customize sections with your brand, and check both mobile and desktop previews. In the editor's SEO settings, add a clear page title and meta description to improve discoverability. When everything looks right, publish and share your link. With these features working together, Canva becomes a streamlined hub for your marketing and business essentials. Thanks for watching.